Alright, check it. These days, most smartphones are all about trying to look sleek, trying to look fancy, right? But like, this one phone? It doesn't follow the crowd, man. I'm talking about the REDMAGIC 10 Air, a phone that's like totally made just for you gamers. But is it really as powerful as they say? Or is it just another flashy phone with like cool lights and stuff? Let's check it out. Okay, so the first time you see it, the REDMAGIC 10 Air totally stands out. It's like, whoa, it looks like something from the future, you know? Sharp design, glowing lights, and like serious gaming vibes. The screen? It's a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 165Hz refresh rate. That means everything looks super smooth, totally perfect for those fast-paced games. Inside, it's running on the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. So yeah, it's fast. And when you're like deep into a long gaming session, the ICE 13.0 cooling system keeps the phone from overheating. And that's like a big deal if you're playing for hours. This phone is made to perform, and it shows. Genshin Impact, Kodi Mobile, PUBG Mobile, all run at high settings, no lag, no frame drops. The built-in shoulder triggers give you faster reactions, just like using a game controller. Then there's the Game Space UI, a special gaming dashboard where you can boost performance, set up profiles for each game, and manage your system. The sound is also solid. Stereo speakers with DTS:X Ultra make the audio feel loud and real. Explosions, footsteps, and music all sound great. Here's where the REDMAGIC 10 Air really shines. 165Hz display is super smooth. Powerful chip handles any game. Cooling system actually works. 80W fast charging gets you back in the game fast. And the RGB lights and shoulder triggers make it feel like a real gaming device. But like, no phone is ever perfect, right? The camera's just okay, you know? It totally works, but don't expect like high-end photos that you'd get from Samsung or iPhone. The design is cool for gamers, but it could be too bulky or flashy for everyday users, maybe. Also, the software still needs a bit more polish, okay? It's powerful, but it doesn't feel as smooth as, like, OnePlus or Samsung phones. The best part? The price point. At around $799, you're getting a top-level gaming phone for way less than most flagship devices, which is awesome. If you want performance without breaking the bank, this is a great choice, I'm telling you. Okay, so, like, this phone, it's totally made for you mobile gamers, competitive players, and anyone who wants, like, serious power right in their hands. If you care more about FPS than photos, and want a phone that looks and feels like a gaming console, this one's totally for you. The REDMAGIC 10 Air isn't trying to be an all-in-one phone for everyone. It's here to do one thing, like, really well. Gaming. And if that's what matters to you, this phone is an absolute beast. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite mobile game right now? Catch you in the next one.